Hey, Mr. Ricardo, this is Ken with Encompass SEO. I hope this video finds you guys doing great. Today I'm going to show you 3 strategies that can be employed today to get you ranking higher in Google searches and help you outrank your competitors, okay? The first thing we're going to jump into is what we call content. Content is everything here on your home page, from word count to meta tags, also all the way down to your images. Now looking at your word count, you currently are sitting at a minimum, just under 1,100 words, which is a good starting point. Now, to be properly optimized in Google's eyes, you want to be at a bare minimum of 1,500 words, okay? So I would recommend adding at least 400 more words at a bare minimum, and making sure you're putting in proper keywords. Now, you also want to make sure that you are hitting your tags here, like this is an H2, meaning you want to change font sizes and make them bigger, smaller. You want to make sure you bold them. That way Google sees them. The next thing we're going to look at is what we call a meta tag. Okay, a meta tag is what we save a picture as and then upload it into here. As you can see here, this stuff right here is not helping you out at all. The only thing that's really helping you rank is roof repair sales team. Okay, so I would recommend getting your location and changing this tag to help optimize it better. Okay, and for comparison sakes on this, I'm going to bring up Remedy Roofing. Okay, now these guys are sitting at 900 words on this homepage, but they, as you can see here, they got a big font here and a smaller here, but it's all bold, so they're ranking higher because of stuff like this. Okay, now if we come here and look at their meta tag on this image, I'll come down, save as you can see, it says Remedy Roofing, commercial and residential contractor. Small things like this are the reasons why they're outranking you, and this is what you're missing, okay? So small changes like this could definitely help you big time, okay? So the next thing we're going to jump into is what we call a citation. A citation is your business name, phone number, and address in directories throughout the internet, like yelp.com or yellowpages.com, for example, okay? Now, I did a basic search here called roof repair Katy, Texas, okay? Now, coming down here, we call this the map pack, okay? When somebody does a basic search like I did, they're gonna come here and choose out of this top 3. 9 out of 10 times, they're gonna choose from these top 3. So not being in this top 3, you are missing out on pretty much money or clientele, okay? Here, you guys are currently setting 6, okay? So you got 3 spots to really jump. You really want to shoot for that first spot, but if you're in this top 3, you're going to make more money, okay? Organically, you guys are not even on the top page at all. You guys are actually deep on the 4th page, so we definitely want to make sure you guys work on that as well. So we have a program called Citation Finder, which is on whitespark.ca. We use this to check your competition to see how many citations they have on the internet, okay? As you can see, we use Remedy Roofing to keep things logistically the same. They have 46. Now, to be easily to outrank these guys, you want to have 200 more citations than these guys. So what we can do is we can match these 46 by coming down here and using the same ones and putting them on yours, okay? And then we come in and put an extra 200 on top of that. So you easily will outrank them in between 3 to 6 months, okay? So the final thing I'm going to jump into is what we call backlinks. Okay, a backlink is a way to really what we call link juice. What I mean by this is we got 2 sites, okay? Site A and Site B. If Site A is pointing to Site B, it makes Site B stronger, okay? And I'll go in a little bit explaining. And the one thing I wanted to show you is not all backlinks are the same. Like, as you can see here, these guys actually have 1.58 thousand backlinks, but they're on the lower half of a rating scale. The rating scale is 0 to 100, of course 0 being the worst, 100 being the best, and they are in the bottom 20%. So we could come in here with higher quality backlinks and start ranking higher them in time, okay? And another thing about backlinks is you want to continually put these on month to month because they will naturally fall off over time, okay? As you can see here, at one point they had 22,000. Up to about 3 weeks ago, they had 1.7 thousand, okay? And about a week ago, they had they lost 4 more from it. So continually add. So I know I'm throwing a lot of information at you, okay? So I'm going to do a quick recap. So you want to make sure you're at a 1,500 minimum on your homepage, hitting those keywords, okay? Citations, you want to have 200 more than your next competitor, okay? And backlinks, remember, not all backlinks are made equal, and you want to continually add them month to month because they will fall off. Now, if you see I could add value to your business, and you would like to see more clientele come in, and you can see that I could help you with this, reach out, and we can talk. Or if you could take this free advice and employ it yourself, I'm great with that as well. At the end of the day, we want to get you more clients. That's our job. But I appreciate your time, Mr. Ricardo. I hope you have a great day and you have a great night. Thank you.